Okay guys, here is the fish market. I'm going to buy this one. I'm going to take one. See, this is alive. This is sunhawk. They call it sunhawk. I'm going to buy this one, and then I will ask the man to cut into at the back, slice at the back. So I'm going to clean only, and then after I clean, I'm going to show you later on, guys. Okay guys, now you can see many fish, catfish. I don't know what do you call this one, and this one eel, some ginger squeeze. This is the fish already. Okay, wash it, and I will marinate with salt and pepper plus the ginger juice. Okay guys, so I'm going to put the squeeze ginger. Okay guys, now I'm going to put salt and the pepper. Okay guys, from both sides, from the inside, and then this is the from outside, same salt and pepper guys. Okay guys, so now we preheat the pan to fry it. Now we can put the cornstarch. So let's start, guys. Okay, cornstarch 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon. Okay, just to cook the fish, and then we shake up the excess cornstarch to fry later on. Okay guys, so this is it. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay guys, I prepare some sliced ginger also, as you can see. I will fry that one to put on the top after I fry. Okay guys, so now we have to deep fry the fish. Okay guys, maximum it takes only just to 10 minutes before we turn it. Okay, but before that, as you can see, so nice, right? Then while I'm preparing the also the shredded ginger to fry it, put on top of this fish guy. Okay guys, so as you can see, I will fry the ginger while still frying the fish. Okay guys, Now time to prepare the lime and fish sauce just to dip the uh, fish, guys, after frying. So this is lime and the fish sauce. Okay, guys, only this one to dip the fish. Okay, guys.